What if I told you I could help you fix the headset issues with your Xbox One controller for less than $2? And the repair is so easy that my 10-year-old son could do it. You're going to need just a few items to get started with this project. The first thing you'll need is a small screwdriver set with a variety of bits. You want to make sure that the set has some of the torque bits, which are the star bits with the circle in the middle. Then you'll need a new 3.5 millimeter headset jack to replace the damaged one that's in your remote. You're going to start by removing the battery cover on the back. Once you remove the cover, you'll notice a manufacturer's sticker inside. We're going to need to peel back this sticker to get access to the first screw with opening the remote. Now I want to warn you, if you peel this sticker back, it may void your manufacturer's warranty, so you may not be able to return this remote to Microsoft for any future problems that it may have. The next step is removing the covers that are over the handles on each side. Now what I used was just a flathead screwdriver bit to get these off. You might want to use a different tool that's just very flat. You might be able to use even a butter knife to do it. Just something that will slip underneath the cover to be able to pop it off on each side. Once you get the handle covers off, you'll notice a set of 2 screws in each handle. These screws, along with the screw that we found in the middle underneath the manufacturer's warranty, are really what's holding this remote together. This is where we use our Torx bit, and we're going to use bit number 9, the star bit with the circle in the middle, to remove these screws and open up this remote. After removing the outside casing, you'll find 2 small circuit boards inside. To get access to the audio jack and replace the old one, we need to create just a little bit of space between these circuit boards, and the old audio jack will fall right out. There are 2 small screws on the top circuit board on each end. We're going to use our T6 bit to loosen these screws and create some space between both of the circuit boards so that we can get the old audio jack out. When removing the old audio jack, you want to take note that the prongs of that audio jack are facing up towards the smaller board. Putting the new audio jack in is very simple. It slides right back in the place of the old one, and just make sure that those prongs are facing up. Once you fit it in the grooves, go ahead and press the boards back together and make sure they're a nice snug fit before you start to screw back in the screws that are on each side of the boards. Now that we've replaced the audio jack, it's time to put the remote back together. Start with the 2 small screws on each of the circuit boards. You're going to be using the T6 screwdriver bit to put those back in place. Once you put those in place, the next step is putting the casing back over the remote itself and putting the screws back in on the outside. Those screws require the T9 screwdriver bit, and you should have 5 screws to put in. 2 in each handle, and then 1 in the center. Once you get the screws back in, you're going to snap the handle covers back on and push the manufacturer's sticker back down in the battery compartment. Then all that's left is adding your batteries and putting back on the battery cover. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you all next time on another Jack of all trades video clip.